Welcome to the Reading Strategies module. I'm Meredith Effler, an English professor at Cincinnati State. I know you might be thinking, reading strategies? But I already know how to read. However, reading critically is essential for college success. We created this module so that you can make the most of the reading you do for your college courses. Reading for college requires not only being able to remember the information you read, like reading in your biology textbook that chlorophyll makes plants green, but to provide your own take on the information. For example, understanding the role that chlorophyll plays in helping plants make energy from light. English classes often ask your reading to go a step further and comment not just on the ideas presented by what you read, but also the way in which they were written. For example, I might be able to say that I disagree with Suzanne Britt's assessment of fat and thin people in her essay That Lean and Hungry Look, but I appreciate her organizational style and how it underscores her criticism of the assumptions we make based on people's outward appearances. This module presents some techniques to help you do this kind of close reading. So let's take a tour. Our first folder here goes over the SQ3R technique. SQ3R stands for Survey, Question, Read, Recite, Review. When I open up this folder by clicking the link here, I see that it begins with a video that provides an overview of the SQ3R method. To watch the video, I can click on the play triangle to watch it on this course's site, and I can also watch it on YouTube using this link if that works better for me. Under the video, the SQ3R process is broken down into its steps. If I click these blue links here, they will launch a PowerPoint presentation from Professor Sandy Bushman. I'm not going to click on the link because I don't want Professor Bushman speaking over me during our tour, but you'll have a lot of fun viewing those later. Once I'm finished viewing the process, I'm directed to a practice. The practice is a worksheet to fill out while reading. I click here and the worksheet opens up, and then if I don't have something handy to read, I can click this link here to view a sample article. This article was chosen specifically because it mimics the look and feel of a textbook reading. At the bottom of this folder, I am directed to check out the next folder, Finding Topics and Main Ideas. So let's go. Let's check it out. To go to the next folder, I scroll up here and click on the Reading Strategies link again. Then I can go to Finding Topics and Main Ideas. This folder is pretty similar. There are a few videos to watch that further explain topics and main ideas, and then there is practice. This is a practice test. Don't worry though, it's not for a grade. To take the test, I hit Begin, and then I choose my favorite answers. I'm just going to randomly click some things so we can see how this test works. All right, when I'm finished choosing the best answer and not just randomly clicking answers, I click Save and submit my test. I can instantly see how well I did by clicking this OK to view my results. Looks like I did pretty poorly because I didn't actually read the questions. After taking the test, I'm directed to go to the next folder, the Reading and Writing Connection. I'm going to scroll back, go to Reading Strategies, and view the final folder. This Reading and Writing Connection folder has some unique pieces. If I read these instructions here, it tells me that I can click on the handout below to understand the importance of close reading. The handout opens up right in my window. There is also a link to another website, in this case, the Writing Center at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill, and a handout that they have about reading to write. After viewing those handouts, there's another video I can check out and a practice worksheet with, again, a link to a sample article to practice annotating. Since this is the final folder in this module, it tells me to check out the next unit on paragraphs. To keep track of your progress in this module, you'll want to check mark the review button after you have reviewed the contents of a folder. After you have reviewed all the folders, you will be presented with your certificate of achievement. If you need help during your exploration of this module, don't forget about the Help link in the menu here. It has links to Cincinnati State's Technology Help Desk, Blackboard's site with help instructions and videos, and you can also email an instructor for this course in the I Need Help from a Person folder. Even though you already know how to read, don't be surprised if you find yourself returning to this module or concepts in it as you move through this course. So go ahead, get started, and don't forget to be great.